everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about some symptoms of a car misfiring while driving. In this video, I'll be going over a few specific symptoms of a car that is misfiring while driving. If you think that your car is misfiring while driving, whether it's one cylinder or multiple cylinders, then with that being said, you should be looking for these symptoms. I'll be going over 5 specific symptoms. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Symptom number 1 to look for, or I should say to smell for, is the smell of gas. And now it's normal to smell gas sometimes in a car, like when you just start a car up, if you smell gas here and there, that is fairly normal. But I'm talking about like the significant smell of gas, like a heavy smell of gas while you're driving. So if you're driving and if you're constantly smelling gas, that's a symptom. It might also mean that your gas tank is leaking, so you should look into that maybe as another reason if it's not a misfire, but it is a symptom of a car misfiring. And that's because when a car is misfiring, there's a lot of unburnt fuel that ends up going in the cylinder, and then that unburnt fuel ends up making its way out from the exhaust. And your exhaust, generally speaking, you might have a little bit of unburnt fuel coming out from your exhaust, but when your car is misfiring, you got a lot of unburnt fuel, so that's why you have a heavy smell of gas. Symptom number 2 of a car misfiring while driving is what I like to call power pulsing. So pulsing in the sense of on and off, and power in the sense of like how much power you're getting. So basically, if you're driving and you're noticing that the power of your car will drop off and then come back again, drop off and then come back again. If you're noticing that constantly, that is a huge symptom of a car that is misfiring. It's very simple. If you're noticing a constant pulsing of power where it drops off and comes back again, that's actually a massive symptom. It's as simple as that. So you're gonna look for that symptom, and what you wanna do is work with it, because there could be other reasons why your car would be power pulsing. But if your car is indeed power pulsing, then you wanna see if it is the car misfiring, because it very well could be. It might not be, but it very well could be. So you want to really look into it a bit further. Now, a quick side note as I switch lanes here in this heavy traffic, with each of these symptoms, I'm just gonna say this really quickly. With each of these symptoms, there could be multiple reasons why they're occurring, right? So I mean, if you see a symptom, it might not necessarily mean that automatically your car is misfiring. It might mean that it could be something else. It all depends, right? So let's move forward to the next symptom. So we already went over power pulsing. Okay, the next symptom that we're going to talk about is significant vibration. So if you feel your car vibrating significantly, then what you want to do is look into it, because there could be many reasons, but misfiring is definitely one of the main reasons. Your car might be vibrating significantly simply because the engine mounts could be worn out or wearing out, or it could be vibrating significantly simply because of its misfiring. It all depends, right? Another thing, the 4th on the list, is massive rough movements at low revs. If you're revving low, if your car is revving low, you're at low RPMs, and you feel like massive vibrations, not a few little tiny vibrations, but massive vibrations, that's a huge symptom of your car misfiring, simply because, when your car is misfiring, your cylinders are sort of going off and on. So with that being said, it's going to cause a lot of vibration, and this is going to be very evident at low RPMs. I mean, it's going to be more evident at low RPMs. You're going to notice more vibration, even in the high RPMs, more vibration than normal, but sometimes that can happen. It's going to be very evident in the low RPMs. Last but not least, symptom number 5 is that the car might stall out. If you're sitting at a red light, your car stalls out, good chance that your car is misfiring, because what happens is when it misfires, the cylinders don't work properly, and if they can't maintain their momentum, it's going to stall out. And that's basically it. Those are some symptoms of a car misfiring. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.